We started this cleanup because we are totally into tourism and we need to maintain our places. We are following the government's initiative of hinterland tourism, and we wanted to make a start by cleaning up the area around Mangeshi temple, which has lakhs of tourists and devotees coming every year. So this is our small initiative. We hope to look after this place for the whole year now. So we've cleaned the entire parking area, which is of the tourism department, right from the old guest house, right up till the entrance of the temple. We have collected all this garbage, which is about 25 or 30%, and there at the back there's another 30-40% of garbage. The students, the headmistress and the teachers of the Wagle High School, which is at Mangeshi, who have been giving us immense support with over 100 students joining in our cleaning drive.
So today we have taken up this cleaning drive at the Mangeshi temple area. We have already done it with the help of our own group, Alcon Victor group, as well as the Wagle school. So around 200 people, that means 100 students as well as 100 of our staff. We all came together and within two hours we cleaned the whole entire area. And we are also providing, you must have seen that there are no dustbins in this area. That's a reason, one of the reasons that there is a lot of garbage here. So we are going to provide garbage bins across this entire area so that whoever the tourists or even the locals, they can put the garbage, and then we'll also help tell the government officials to get it cleared off. So we'll be doing this type of initiative in the coming every quarter, and this is a part of our CSR also.
I thank Mr. Vinay Albuquerque from the Alcon Victor Group for taking this as a CSR and helping us out, helping Mangesh Devasan out to get our surrounding areas clean. I also thank the Mangesh Devasan committee for supporting us.
हांव सगळ्यांक तांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी ह्याचे फुडें हे सगळे क्लीन उरचे आनी हे आमचे ग्रुपान विक्टर ग्रुपान सांगलां की हांगा क्लिनलीनेस कायम दवरतले त्या बद्दल तांकां हांव म्हज्या वतीन आनी स्कुलाच्या वतीन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
आज पळयत जाल्यार हांगा डेली अशी ट्युरिस्ट हजारांनी ट्युरिस्ट येता आनी हांगा गार्बेज सगळ्याक पडटा, पूण कोणूच हांगा पंचायत अथवा कोणूच हांगा हेजेर सोल्युशन काडना. पूण आयज आल्बुकर ह्या हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंटान हो फुडाकार घेवन हांगा क्लिनिनेस ड्राय केला, त्या बद्दल हांव तेजें अभिनंदन करता आनी ताका शुभेच्छा दितात. अशेंच हे ताणें प्रत्येक म्हयन्याक येवन हांगा क्लिनिनेस ड्राय करचें अशें हांव तेजे कडेन मागता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.